In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Notion. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along even if you're new to using Notion. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Notion workspace. If you haven't already logged in, you can do so by clicking on the Login button on the Notion homepage. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll be directed to your Notion home, which serves as the main dashboard for all your projects, notes, and databases. Now that you're settled in your workspace, the next step is to locate the Team Spaces section. You'll find it in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Team Spaces will reveal all the collaborative areas that you're a part of. This is where you can manage various projects and teams efficiently. Once inside Team Spaces, search for a specific database you want to work with. Databases in Notion are incredibly versatile and can be used for tracking projects, managing inventories, planning events, and more. Click on any database that you wish to turn into a template, or use as a starting point for your new template. After you've selected a database, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see a button labeled New. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on New will create a new entry within your chosen database. Now, with a new entry open, go ahead and click on the New Template button. This feature allows you to create a reusable page layout that can streamline your workflow by providing a consistent starting point. Spend a few minutes customizing this template to suit your specific needs. You can add task lists, headers, images, and any other elements that will be useful for the kind of projects you do regularly. One tip to keep in mind while designing your template is to think about the repetitive information or structure you often use. Incorporate these elements into your template to save time in the future. Once you're satisfied with your template, remember to give it a meaningful name that will help you identify its purpose quickly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a template in Notion. You can use this template across your projects and modify it as needed. It's a powerful way to maintain consistency and improve productivity by reducing the amount of time spent recreating similar documents from scratch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By utilizing templates, you can keep your work organized and efficient. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Notioning!